Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space C:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.